According to the Shiva Purana, Brahma once argued with Vishnu, boasting that he was a supreme creator and greater than all. This arrogance angered Lord Shiva, who manifested as Batuk Bhairava, an 8-year-old boy, to subdue Brahma's ego through this childlike form. Shiva demonstrated that divine power transcends age or grandeur, and true strength lies in humility. This form of Batuk Bhairava swiftly eliminates fears, enemies, and adversities, offering quick results to devotees. However, chanting his mantra requires caution and guidance, as Batuk Bhairava is immensely powerful. Only those who are eligible, ideally with guidance of a guru, should undertake his mantra recitation. You may wonder what ordinary people like us can do. Simple practices include chanting his name, feeding stray dogs on the streets, as he is considered a form of Bhairava, and if possible, observing a fast will help. Fasting keeps the body light, enabling us to absorb positive energies more efficiently through the subtle layers beneath our skin. This is why we fast on auspicious occasions like Mahashivratri to better absorb the cosmic energies from the universe on such days. This year, Batak Bhairava Jayanti falls on June 5th, Thursday.